mentioned, my name is Ron Goose. I'm the registrar with the Manitoba Pharmaceutical Association and also the vice chair of the Manitoba Institute for Patient Safety. Many Manitobans are unaware of the safest way to dispose of unwanted, unused, and expired medications. Disposal of these medications by flushing down the toilet or the drain or tossing them into the garbage is not safe. And not safe to your family, but also not safe to the environment. Manitoba Institute for Patient Safety and the Manitoba Pharmaceutical Association, partnering with the RCMP, Winnipeg City Police, Manitoba Society of Pharmacists, and the Health Products Stewardship Association to promote tomorrow's National Prescription Drug Drop-Off Day in Manitoba. This promotion will provide safety benefits by removing unnecessary medications from the home and keeping families safe. Tomorrow, May 11th, the public is encouraged to take advantage of this National Day by dropping off unwanted medications at their local police service center or pharmacy for safe disposal. The Manitoba Pharmaceutical Association commends the Winnipeg Police Service and RCMP for taking a lead on this project. It's also important for the public to know that medications can be brought to your local pharmacy for disposal throughout the year. The Manitoba Medication Return Program, which is organized by the Health Products Stewardship Association, provides Manitobans with a safe, free alternative to improper disposal. The important message today is take advantage of the return program. Be ever vigilant to remove unused, unwanted medications from the home. Bring those unwanted medications to the local Winnipeg Police Service Center. And also, the unwanted medications can be taken to your local pharmacy tomorrow, but also throughout the year as part of the Manitoba Medication Return Program. Tomorrow's a day, but today is a good day to go through your medicine cabinet to discover those medications. Get them together, take them from your home, and tomorrow take them to the local police service center or pharmacy and take the harm out of the home. Thank you very much.